Welcome back to Allen Films, everybody. Today I'm doing something on the Honda that I've been waiting to do for months, since I got the car, really. As you guys can tell, it's dirty, there's bird poop on it, the badges are falling off. There's just a whole bunch of this car that's cosmetically wrong with it, and today we're going to be solving just a few tiny things that I've been wanting to fix for a long time. So as you can see here, the S is missing, so now it's just the incredible Honda Civic SI. So we're gonna fix that, and we're also gonna be getting this off. The previous owner tore off the Civic badge and left me with that residue. And then over here, we just kind of have some weathering on the old SI badge, so we're gonna be getting a new one, tearing this old one off, and cleaning up all this dirt. Last episode, we put the CarPlay unit in. It works. It's not the best, not the worst, but these are the topic of this video. They're nice lights. I mean, they work. This side doesn't like to work when the door's open, but it's just that warm white that I don't really like. I'd much rather prefer a cold white for a black interior. I think it looks just a little bit better. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna see if I can get these lights to turn on together when the door opens, and if I can do that, then we're gonna be golden. We're also gonna be doing a little bit of interior detail, an exterior wash and detail, and then hopefully here soon I'm gonna be able to get tint on these windows, kind of get the cosmetics looking right before we dump money into the coilovers and the wheels. So we sprayed the car down, got it nice and wet, that's what she said. So we're gonna be hitting this with a little bit of a rubber wheel to get this off and this adhesive off. We're also gonna be spraying some Goo Gone around here to make sure it comes off evenly. Then we're gonna be using fishing line to get this off. As you can see, it's coming off slowly but surely. This probably isn't the best thing to be using, but it's worked pretty well for me in the past. We're gonna be trying it on here. It's getting it off slowly. When I take a rag and I wipe all this away, it'll look brand new. So just gotta keep going at it, and then we'll do the same thing to that side, and then reinstall the SI badge, and then the back side will be good to go. As you can see, there's just a little bit of residue left, so I'm gonna hit it another time. I'm gonna go get the fishing line, take that SI badge off, get some masking tape, put it where the old SI badge should be. That way, when I put the new one on, I can just put it right where it's supposed to be, and then let the Goo Gone sit in, and then kind of get the rest of that residue out. I just went to Walmart, got myself some Omniflex fishing line. You guys really want to make sure that you get a whole roll, because this will break. When you're going, there's a lot of heat, it'll just snap. You get a whole roll, grab it like this, come over, kind of slide it, if it wants to work for me. Slide it in on one side and just start going back and forth, and there you go, broke a bit. Don't add too much stress on either side. Get some of that squeaking going. Shout out Jaden, he knows what the squeaking's about. Just go from the other side, should meet in the middle of where your progress was. And just like that, it comes right off.
How was that?
Did you hear that, birdie?
It's not, man. Someone just got assassinated. That was no bird. Smoker.
It's gone. Slowly. Like I said, Goo Gone and a little rubber wheel and a drill. That's all you really need. I mean, if you're a professional detailer, you can obviously buff that out and get it to look normal again, but this is what I got, this is what I'm using.
What the hell was that? Oh, that's so Honda.
No, it's hot.
No, do it again, do it again.
It's hot metal, man.
It's just because it's a Honda. Flexing and warping.
No, it's just because it's hot.
Making me mad. Lame ass. Whoa, what? I didn't throw that.
So I got some all-purpose cleaner from work. I got a microfiber towel. We're gonna clean off the surface, apply the adhesive, press it for like, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute, and then we're gonna have a fresh new SI badge on the back of this. It's gonna be beautiful. These are 2 different sizes. Look at that.
That's extra Hurspurs right
Extra
there.
Hurspurs. Shout out Donut. Alright, so next up, we're going to be putting the new badge on this. I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit easier, but if we have to remove the grill and stuff, so be it. But I'm hoping we can just slide it in here, but we'll see. Taking this grill off is super easy. The dog wants to help me. All you gotta do is pop this off. All right, so we got the piece off here. What I'm concerned with, because everything on this Honda is cheap and I hate it, I'm afraid that this SI little, whatever the hell this is now, I'm hoping that the new one's gonna fit on there. If it doesn't, we're gonna have a big old problem. So as you can see, it's got two bolts, and once you know it, it's way too long. So let's figure out how to do this. This might have a redemption. We don't know yet. We don't know if this will even work. We're gonna figure it out as we go, man. They come with these. These fit perfectly right here to hold it in. So we might have to be doing some drilling and or some fitting onto the new grill. The new grill will go without a badge for a little bit until I order some cheap ones on eBay again.
Oh, ha, 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 ha. La Francais.
Slide that in like that. What do you think? That looks a little but that's what it would look like. I don't know how I feel about it. Alright, so we've been tinkering with this for a little while, and it's meant for an OEM base model Civic, not an SI. So we're gonna have to look into a few other ideas, or we're gonna have to just kind of make it work for now. Either way, it doesn't look OEM, and it kind of looks a little goofy. So we're gonna have to figure something out. But either way, the headlights and the interior lights are going in as well. The rear badge went pretty smooth, so I'm calling this day a success. We also mocked up the new SI badge on there. Pretty clever craftsmanship. I popped open the headlights, and they look pretty badass. Plugs right in, so we're gonna throw these in. Alright, our final endeavor here is to get these interior lights looking cold white so that the interior is just a little bit cleaner. So we got a little bit more than we bargained for with these this headlight package. So we got the front bulbs, both high beam, low beam. We got the interiors as a cold white, and then we also found out that we got license plate headlights as well. Other few cosmetic things that we're getting done soon is the tint. Obviously a full interior detail and exterior detail to kind of buff the paint, get the orange peel out, coilovers and wheels. Rear red brake calipers are definitely on the way, but not a big priority. Let's get these license plate lights in and then call it a day. that was the cosmetic restoration of the car. As you can see, she looks a whole lot better, a whole lot cleaner. So it looks a lot better. The headlights are working, they're a lot brighter. We got new badges thanks to Yas and his ingenuity. So everything's looking great. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.